250 million years ago, the Earth experienced a volcanic eruption, causing the Earth to boil. On the scorching red sand, a small figure is crawling. It looks like a mini crocodile, but only the size of a palm. It is called Young's crocodile, scientific name Young Enocopensis, not the ancestor of modern crocodiles, but given the name crocodile. Today, with just pictures, let's walk into the Kuru Basin at the end of the Permian and uncover the legendary story of this primitive reptile. In 1914, South African paleontologist Robert Bloom discovered this skull in New Bethesda. He named it Young's crocodile after his mentor John Young. The word crocodile originates from its skull, resembling an early crocodile-shaped animal, but it actually belongs to the Young Eniformes order and is a basal member of the bivalve reptiles. The fossil's main leg come from the Kuru supergroup in South Africa, dating back to the late Permian period, approximately 259 to 252 million years ago. How big is an adult Young's crocodile? The skull is only 5 to 7 centimeters, and the whole body is about 30 to 40 centimeters, slightly larger than the palm of a domestic cat. It has a slender body, resembling a modern lizard, a triangular skull, large eyes, sharp conical teeth, small scales, and a long agile tail. Most notably, it also retains traces of the pineal eye, third eye, which is used to perceive light and regulate body temperature. CT scans show that its body structure is in a transitional stage from primitive bivalves to more advanced reptiles. The climate in the Kuru Basin during the late Permian was arid with seasonal rainfall. The young crocodile lives entirely on land and feeds on insects, spiders, and small vertebrates. Look at this agilely catching prey, shuttling through the volcanic ash-covered red soil, hiding in rock crevices to avoid larger predators. It is not a hegemon, just a small hunter at the bottom of the ecological chain, but represents an important attempt by bivalves in the Permian period. The young crocodile is very important in the history of evolution. It is a representative group of modern reptiles other than lizards, snakes, crocodiles, and birds. Its body has both primitive double temporal fossa and features of later lizard and main dragon types. The latest research shows that it is located at the base of the new double paw class. It is not the direct ancestor of modern crocodiles. True crocodiles did not appear until the late Triassic period, but it's like an evolutionary pointer that helps us see how bivalves differentiated before the rise of dinosaurs. The young crocodile lived on the eve of the Permian Triassic mass extinction. That extinction wiped out over 90% of species on Earth. Volcanoes, climate change. It may be one of the last survivors of crocodiles. When the Triassic period arrived and the Earth restarted, true crocodiles and dinosaurs began to erupt. Young's crocodile, like a small figure under a volcano, tenaciously crawling on the brink of extinction, leaving behind a precious page. Today, when we see ordinary lizards crawling, we may not expect it. Its distant ancestor, in the Sea of Fire 250 million years ago, had already written the future of reptiles with the same limbs and tail. Young's crocodile reminds us that the history of the Earth is cruel and magnificent. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we will continue to explore the hidden protagonists of the Kuru Basin. Goodbye.